Field surveyors play a crucial role in various industries, including construction, engineering, and land development. These professionals are responsible for collecting accurate data and measurements on site, which are essential for the design and planning of projects. One such field surveyor is Ram Puri, who is known for his expertise and experience in the field. Ram Puri has established himself as a highly skilled and reliable field surveyor in the industry. With years of experience under his belt, he has honed his skills in conducting surveys and gathering data accurately. His attention to detail and precision are unmatched, making him a sought-after professional in the field. Whether it's determining property boundaries, topographic features, or infrastructure layouts, Ram Puri ensures that the measurements are precise and reliable. In addition to his technical skills, Ram Puri is also known for his exceptional project management abilities. He understands the importance of effective communication and collaboration with clients, engineers, and architects to ensure that the survey data aligns with the project requirements. He takes the time to thoroughly understand the scope of each project and devises a comprehensive plan to achieve accurate and timely results. One of Ram Puri's notable accomplishments is his expertise in SCON design. SCON design involves creating detailed drawings and plans for efficient stormwater management systems. This includes designing drainage systems, culverts, retention ponds, and other infrastructure to prevent flooding and protect the environment. Ram Puri's proficiency in this area has been instrumental in the successful completion of many projects, ensuring that they comply with local regulations and environmental standards. Ram Puri's dedication to his work is evident in his commitment to stay updated with the latest advancements in technology and surveying techniques. Construction, engineering, and land development are just a few of the businesses that depend heavily on field surveyors. For the purpose of project design and planning, these specialists are in charge of taking precise measurements and data on the job site. Ram Puri, who is renowned for his skill and experience in the profession, is one such field surveyor. Ram Puri has made a name for himself in the area surveying as a very competent and trustworthy individual. He has developed his abilities in survey design and precise data collection over the course of his many years of expertise. His exceptional accuracy and attention to detail make him a highly sought-after expert in the industry. Ram Puri makes sure the measurements are accurate and dependable while evaluating topographic characteristics, property boundaries, or infrastructural design. Ram Puri is renowned for both his technical prowess and his remarkable project management capabilities. To make sure that the survey results are in line with the project requirements, he is aware of the value of excellent client, engineer, and architect collaboration. He takes the time to fully comprehend the parameters of each project and creates a detailed plan to produce accurate and timely outcomes.